Hey guys, hope you all are okay. Today we are going to learn about renaming many files in one go. Let's see how we can do it. Okay, before you make changes or you rename any files, please make sure that you create a folder named anything, just like I created output, and all files I have taken in this folder called rename. With first method we are going to rename many files in one go, like the photos we capture by camera or our mobile, and it will come with a default name, and for a period of time we will not even know how many photos are there or which photo we would like to take for other use, so it will be very difficult. So let's see how to do that. That's very easy. Most of you might be knowing, but just I am uh, doing that as well. This is the folder named cam. Just you need to select. While selecting, select one file, then shift and down arrow key. You can keep on clicking until it will go down. All files has to be selected. You can do with a mouse as well. Once it is selected, then right click and just go for rename like other file would do, and whatever default name you wanted to give, like picture, cam, whatever, it will go. It will take 1 2 3 4 5 sequence. Now let's say I would like to give pic, and after that I just press enter. See, it is like this. All pictures has been renamed like picture 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is one method where we just like to rename or decrease the size of name to understand or just to process for our further function. Okay, there is another one method. Actually this rename method is for especially what I said, pictures and videos or any other files, they came by default name. The other one where this method can't be used and it will be very difficult. See this other file where I have a folder called 7 Habits of Highly Effective People audiobook, Stephen R. Covey, and if I open this, see the file name is so big. I was facing a problem, like I was listening with my mobile, and when I was listening it was very difficult for me to know which file I was listening last time and which file I am going to listen now. It was very difficult because whenever I open mobile normally shows us first few digits, like it was showing Stephen R. Covey 7 habits something, but it was not reaching here. So I was looking for a software or a method where I could get rid of these many letters or digits until here, and then if possible I can shorten the length of this file name. So I came to know, or I came across with one software which is very easy and free for you. You can Google bulk rename. See, this is a bulk rename utility. This is a free software. We can use it, and it is a fantastic software where we can do many activities, many ways we can edit the files in one go. So I'm not going to download this software because already I have that software. Let's see how to do it, and let's review how the software is. I'm going to open this, and just you need to select the folder, desktop, rename, Stephen R. Covey. See, these are the files. Here also you have to select the same way. Click and select, and then shift and downward arrow. When you select all files, you can select few files you wanted to make it in a different way in batches. You can do that, but my all files are same. I just wanted to reduce the length and get rid of first few letters. If you see, the same files are here. See, here it is remove, add, auto date, numbering, extensions, folder name. There are many things. Copy part. In short, by this utility you can remove n number of letters or digits from start or from front, and as well as from the end or in between. You can replace the similar words by different words, or similar digits by different digits, or similar numbers you can remove, or you can remove some signs or some characters, special characters if they have, or you can even change the extension. My utilization or my requirement from this software was to remove first few digits. Let's do that. See, the moment I put 1, I click 1, yes has gone, yes has gone. Now I would like to remove until it will come to the number. Yep. See, it is like this. From behind, I don't want anything to change, but if you people wanted to do, you can do it. Now just I click rename. Okay, make sure that copy, move to the location, you select a folder, or what will happen, existing files will get renamed and you wanted to redo it or get back to the original name, it won't. So better do it another folder, and then once you are confirmed that your function is fulfilled, you may delete the earlier folder. So I am going to use this output folder for my renamed files. I click rename. It is showing again. Please double click that the file and or folder you have selected are correct and the new file name are as you intended. Show the warning, blah blah. Okay, I just do it. Okay, it has been done. Let's go and see. Okay, I'm going to close this. Let's go and see here. See here, the way I wanted, I got it. Now when I am hearing those audio books, let's say I finished this 6th number chapter, so I just need to remember or need to write down somewhere that 6th number has finished and 7th I can start. Earlier it was very difficult to do it. I hope it will help many of the people who are facing the same problem. Thank you very much for watching, and if you liked this video, I have some other videos as well in my channel. Please go through them. If you like any one of them, please comment, like, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification for my upcoming videos. I am going to upload many other management videos which will help you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.